Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to design an AQ monogram logo using the Shape Builder tool and the Line Segment tool. Make sure watch to until the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select the Line Segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line. Increase the stroke thickness around 3 pt. Now select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Now I will generate automatically others copies by clicking Ctrl+D many times. Perfect. After that, select all, and press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+F to front paste. Hold Shift and rotate. After that, select the Ellipse tool. Hold Shift and draw a circle from this corner, and intersect with this path. Now select this circle, and press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F. Hold Alt and Shift, and intersect with this line. Do this in the same way. After that, select all, and go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. After that, click and drag to join these parts. Join every small part carefully. Hold the spacebar to activate the hand tool, so you can move the artboard. Now join these parts. Join every small part carefully. Okay, after that, select this, and drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. Now go to the Direct Selection tool. Select this anchor point and delete it from here. Now select this anchor point and delete. Now select all, and go to the stroke panel, and increase the stroke thickness to around 15 pt. Now select this, and go to the object, expand, and click OK, and go to the Pathfinder, compound. After that, select the Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle like this. And lengthen it by pulling upwards from here. and lengthen it downwards as well. And intersect with this. Okay, after that, select all, and go to the Pathfinder. Mine is from here. Right-click, and ungroup. After that, select this, and take a color from here. Select this and take this color. Okay, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.